Good day to all of you. I'm Eric S. Parilla and I'm from College of Business Education, Northwestern University. So my research is all about employability skills, image, and attitudes of graduates needed by Ilocos Norte employers. So to begin with, let me first define what is employability. So according to York and Knight, 2003, employability is defined as a set of achievement skills, understandings, and personal attributes that makes graduate more likely to get employment and be successful in their chosen profession, which aids themselves, the workforce, and the community and the whole economy. This study's primary purpose is to discover the necessary skills, attitudes, and image the graduates should possess to be employable. So this will serve as a baseline for curriculum development and what subjects are necessary to be included in universities and colleges curriculum, particularly in Northwestern University College of Business Education. So the research problem are: what college degrees do employers value the most? What are the attributes and capacities employers are seeking at the point of entry to employment? What are the aspects of appearance and image that are necessary to employers in Ilocos Norte? What are the necessary skills needed by employers in Ilocos Norte? And what are the necessary attitudes needed by employers in Ilocos Norte? So the participants were selected using the quota sampling technique, and they were the employers or HR managers of companies in Ilocos Norte. So the research instrument utilized in this study was a questionnaire. There are two parts of the questionnaire. For the first part, the organizational profile, and the second part, the skills, image, and attitudes needed by Ilocos Norte employers. So the results. What college degree do employers value the most are business courses in information technology. So what are the attributes and capacities employers are seeking at the point of entry to employment? For food industry, personality and education; retail, personality and job experience; manufacturing, appearance and personality; and other services, personality and previous job experience. What are the aspects of appearance and image that are necessary to employers in Ilocos Norte? So for the food industry, we have age and dress sense. For retail, we have age and dress sense also. For manufacturing, we have dress sense and age. And for other services, age and dress sense. So what are the necessary skills needed by employers in Ilocos Norte? For food, critical thinking and leadership skills. For retail, we have critical thinking and communication. For manufacturing, communication and leadership. And other services, critical thinking and communication. So what are the necessary attitudes needed by employers in Ilocos Norte? So for food, self-confidence and self-motivated. For retail, dependability and positive thinking. For manufacturing, all of the attitudes were equal. And other services are honesty and dependability. So the discussion: one interesting finding of this study is that attitudes are critical for Ilocos Norte employers, particularly self-confidence and self-motivated. Another striking result of the study is that employers need communication skills, leadership skills, and critical thinking skills. Employers do not emphasize the school where the applicant graduated. Another fascinating finding of this study is that for the retail industry, personality is given importance. This is because the retail industry deals with selling goods to consumers. And finally, this study's findings reveal that the needed skills, image, and attitudes by the Ilocos Norte employers are almost the same in the four industries under study. So that's all, and thank you for listening.